All right, let's talk about something huge. If you're a public employee in Florida, you're going to make a decision that will literally define your retirement. We're diving into the Florida Retirement System, or FRS, to make sure you have everything you need to choose the right path for you.
You know, right when you start your career, you're hit with this monumental choice. And it's not just some paperwork to get through. No, this is a decision that's going to ripple through the rest of your life. So, are you ready for it?
And here's the catch. The clock is ticking. As a new hire, you only have until the end of your 5th month to pick your plan. And for most people, once you choose, that's it. It's a permanent decision. So yeah, the pressure's on to get it right.
Now, you're not alone in this. The FRS is an absolute giant, one of the biggest retirement systems in the entire country, with over 1 million people in it. That size gives it a ton of stability, but it also means you've got these two very different paths to choose from. Let's break them down.
Okay, first up is path number 1, the pension plan. You can think of this as the traditional, super secure route. It's all about getting a guaranteed, predictable paycheck every single month for the rest of your life once you retire. If you see yourself staying in public service for the long haul, this is definitely one to watch. So, the official term for this is a defined benefit plan. What does that actually mean? It's simple. Your payout is set in stone by a formula. It doesn't matter if the stock market is soaring or crashing. Your retirement income is predictable, it's secure, and it's backed by the state.
Now, don't let the word formula scare you. It's really just 3 pieces of a puzzle. First, they take your highest 5 years of salary and average them out. Then, they multiply that by a set percentage, 1.6% for most folks. And finally, they multiply that by how many years you worked. Boom! That's your guaranteed annual income for life.
Okay, let's talk about vesting. That's just a fancy word for when the retirement benefit is officially yours to keep. The timeline depends on when you were hired. If you started before July 1st, 2011, you're vested after 6 years. If you started on or after that date, it takes 8 years. All right, so that was the steady, secure path. But what if you're looking for something different? Let's check out path number 2, the investment plan. This one is all about flexibility and control. Think of it like a 401k for public employees.
See, this is a defined contribution plan. That means your retirement savings are based on what goes into the account from you and the state, plus how well those investments do. You're in the driver's seat, which means you have more control, but it also means you're tied to the ups and downs of the market.
So how does the money get into your account? Well, every month you put in 3% of your salary. But here's the great part. The state kicks in another 6.3%. That means over 9% of your salary is getting invested for your future every single month. And this right here, this is the game changer for the investment plan. You are fully vested, meaning all that money is 100% yours after just 1 single year of service. If you think you might change careers or move out of state, that portability is a massive, massive advantage. So let's put them side by side. The pension plan gives you that guaranteed income for life, perfect for someone planning a long, stable career. The investment plan gives you a portable account that you control, and it's yours after just 1 year. Ideal for someone who values flexibility. It's really a classic trade-off, security versus control. But wait, there's more. If you're leaning toward the pension plan, there's this incredible bonus level you can unlock as you get closer to retirement. It's called the Deferred Retirement Option Program, or DROP for short. And trust me, it's a powerful way to build wealth. So, what on earth is DROP? Get this. Once you're eligible to retire, you can retire on paper, and the FRS starts putting your monthly pension checks into a special account for you. But, and here's the key, you keep working your job and collecting your regular salary. It's an amazing deal. Let's walk through an example. Say your monthly pension benefit is calculated to be $3,500. While you're in DROP, that exact amount gets deposited into your DROP account every single month. Now, you can stay in DROP for up to 8 years, but let's just say you do it for 5. After 5 years, you would have stacked up a whopping $210,000 in that account, all while still getting your normal paycheck. And it gets even better. That account is earning interest the whole time. With just a 4% return, you could add another $21,000 on top of that. So when you finally do retire for real, you walk away with a huge lump sum payout. Pretty incredible, right?
Okay, we've looked at the secure pension plan and its amazing DROP feature. We've looked at the flexible investment plan. Now for the hard part. How in the world do you choose what's right for you and your goals?
Well, you really gotta ask yourself some honest questions. Be real with yourself. How long do you actually see yourself working in public service?
How do you feel about the stock market's ups and downs? Is having the freedom to take your money and go a big deal for you? Answering these is going to point you in the right direction.
And remember, this is no small thing. Your FRS benefits are a massive piece of your financial puzzle. Seriously, we're talking about a decision that could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. So take your time and choose wisely. So, there you have it. The two paths are laid out right in front of you. One gives you the peace of mind of a guaranteed paycheck for life. The other gives you the freedom and control to forge your own path. The choice is yours. Which one are you going to take to build your financial future?